Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, located in the serene and picturesque community of Brumalia, Mandeville, Manchester, also known as Millionaire's Row. This stunning 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom home offers an unparalleled living experience in the heart of Jamaica's lush interior. Nestled amidst rolling hills and picturesque landscapes, this property combines the tranquility of suburban life with the convenience of being close to the vibrant town of Mandeville. Families will appreciate the proximity to some of the best schools in the region, including Belair High School and Manchester High School, known for their excellent academic programs. The nearby town of Mandeville offers a range of shopping centers, restaurants, and recreational facilities, making it easy access to all essential services and enjoy a vibrant social life. Mandeville has long been a preferred choice for returning residents, thanks to its mild climate, scenic beauty, and peaceful ambience. The town's reputation for safety and its welcoming community atmosphere makes it an ideal place to settle down and enjoy a high quality of life. This exquisite property in Brumalia, Mandeville is more than just a house. It is an investment in a lifestyle of luxury. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.